Hi guys, in today's video, I wanted to talk about the difference between ideas and their execution because this is something that's bugged me for a long time, and it's a lesson that I had to learn the hard way over and over. And it took me almost 10 years to figure out. And it's the fact that ideas aren't actually that hard to come up with, but their execution is overwhelmingly hard to complete. And this is something I underestimated when I was younger. When I was young and learning web and dev and all that jazz, I thought that I had some great ideas. And a lot of the times I kept them in my head. Sometimes I shared them out to people. And I thought, yeah, this is awesome. One day when I get a chance, I'm going to create this. Maybe when I'm a better developer, or maybe when I finish uni, or have a bit more time on my hands. And I kept them in my back pocket, but I never actually created them. And this is the very first mistake a lot of people make. They think the idea itself is valuable, and brainstorming it or thinking of new ideas has a lot of potential. But realistically, ideas by themselves aren't really worth anything. The most worthwhile thing is the actual execution of an idea. The very best idea is not worth anything compared to the very worst idea, which is executed and working. And this is a mistake I made when I was younger, and it did take me a while to figure out that I actually needed to execute my ideas in order for them to be worth anything. But when I did, after many years, I went to build my very first project. And for me, this was a virtual private network? Yeah, a VPN, as they call them. And I really underestimated just how much time and effort is in building an idea in general. A lot of people do underestimate just how much development and coding is required in any idea, whether it's a website or an app or even a general business without even any technology. This took me a while to figure out. For me, it took me almost an entire year to build out my very first business, and it took me a lot of lessons and a lot of money to figure out all the mistakes that I did. And one of the biggest mistakes between an idea and its execution is trying to get it perfect. This is something that we'll never really be able to do, especially if you're doing your very first idea. You have to understand that it will probably be flawed. It'll probably be the bare minimum of what you require. And if you try to make an idea perfect, you'll never actually execute it because it'll never be finished. There's no such thing as a perfect execution of a perfect idea. And this is why so many people say that the MVP is so important for an idea, is the bare minimum of what is required. And a lot of people, they still think that the MVP does need a level of perfection, which it really doesn't. It just needs to work. If you're able to do this, if you're able to make an MVP that just works, you'll already be so far ahead of the competition, which might just be working on their MVP for years and years and never actually create anything. This is another thing that I made a bit of a mistake on, and I spent months and months just trying to get something perfectly, when I could have just gotten something out the door immediately that worked. The other thing to this is the fact that if you're trying to work on an idea, it's really important to work with a team of people that are determined and they will see a project through. When I worked with some ideas at the start with people, I found that there was a honeymoon phase where the idea was interesting and popular and everyone wanted to work on it. And as I mentioned, ideas aren't easy. They take a lot of time and effort. And once that honeymoon period is over, whether it's a week or a month or whatever it is, then it takes a lot of grit and hard work and determination to see the idea through and keep building it until it has that minimal viable product. This is where a lot of ideas simply fail. And I think it's so important to be able to have that grit to see the thing through. If you're able to do that, if you're able to have an idea, work on executing it, making sure it's not perfect, but it has an MVP, and seeing it through to making sure it's completed, you'll have your very first business or completed product or solution, and it'll be awesome. It'll let you learn all those lessons that you need to be able to build your second and third and fourth one. And if you keep doing this, you'll be building your own character in building out ideas and executing them, as well as probably making you money as well, which is really awesome. Anyway, these are my thoughts on ideas and their execution and what I think is really important for it. How have you guys gone through building out your own ideas? I'd love to know. Anyway, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.